Hey y'all, so I'm back. All those wigs that I was coloring, now I have to style them all. So I'm gonna get started. I do have some bundles that I still need to color, but I'm gonna do that because I'm gonna do that later. This is a priority. I need to pluck some hairlines and style a few wigs so y'all can come along with me on what I gotta do today. We can get started. I'm gonna be watching TV and working at the same time. I do have some content that I need to get out to you guys. I am gonna color this hair. I don't know what I might even do it today if I can get these wigs done in a timely manner, but I want to color this wig. I don't know what semi-permanent colors I have over there. I kind of want to just color underneath the underside of the wig, so I'm gonna lighten it and then color it some kind of color, whatever semi-permanent colors I have over there. I don't know if I have orange, cinnamon, copper, blue, I don't know, but I want to do this wig. So I look beat today because I've been running around crazy, trying to get stuff done, stressing about getting stuff out. Dad in the hospital, he had to have surgery. Just a lot of stuff going on this week. So now I'm here in peace, no clients. I can get this work done today. So pray for me, y'all. Whew. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product of this custom made, custom colored, well, no, it's not custom made, but it is custom colored wig. Brown. The hair color came in a 613 and she wanted the brown roots, wanted to look more balayaged and kind of a little bit ombre on the bottom, so I definitely kept the ends blonde, and then I had to do a lot of coloring to get it like this. You know, I had to do color fillers and all of that before I can get it to this brown color. So this is what she looks like. Very beautiful. I don't want to mess with her too much because I am going to ship this, so I want the curls to stay in as much as possible. But this is how the back looks on her. Super cute hair color. Amazing. So I'm gonna ship her off probably tomorrow. I probably could ship her off today, but I'll probably ship her off tomorrow. I'm gonna send her a picture of the wig. And that's pretty much it for this one. Moving on to the next one. All right, moving on to the next wig. So I just put some random highlights into this one. So I don't know how I kind of want to style this one, to be honest. I don't want her to be straight. I don't know. Maybe I'll do her straight and see how she looks. Guess we'll try her out. Straight it might be. So let's get into this one. All right, guys. Ooh, she's shining. Flat ironing this 28-inch raw Indian natural wavy hair now. Filming another one. You guys, literally, I be trying to knock these wigs out as much as I can. I got so many messages waiting for me, but I really need to be focusing focusing on doing this right now, so I don't respond right away to my messages because I'm busy working, but I am going to respond to them hopefully when I'm done or first thing in the morning. So this wig is my next one that I'm going to style. I think I'm gonna do wand curls in her. She is very thick, a lot of bundles, so let's go ahead and get her started. All right, you guys, so this is the final look of the wig. She is amazing and beautiful. I am absolutely in love with her. I wand curled the entire thing, which definitely was a mission, but she is amazing. I think I might have to try her on for y'all real quick. All right, you guys, so this is how the wig looks on. I am absolutely in love. Please excuse, I have my lights on right now and my salon lights off. Let me turn them on real quick. Woo! All right, so now all my lights are on. I am absolutely in love with this. Look how bad, hey. Oh, I love her. This one is a medium cap raw Vietnamese hair. I want to say she is 28 inches and then I wand curled her really tight. But imagine once she starts to loosen, that really soft big wave that this is gonna turn into. So wand curls are definitely not a one look kind of curl. You definitely will get longevity out of it over time, especially because the waves will start to loosen. But I'm in love with her. Medium cap 6x6 lace closure, so I can definitely part her much further over, do a side part if I want to, but it's not a frontal, so I can't like pull it in a high ponytail or anything like that. But she cute, she cute. Woo, look at how bouncy. Woo, I'm in love, I'm in love. Oh.